You want it there? Or you want it here? It's hot there. It's hot over there. Yeah. Jelena, you can oh wow. Do you want me to clean your swimming pool? Did you guys did swimming pool? Yeah. Oh, you want me to clean it? What? Okay, let me clean the swimming pool. Hello, Chai. Okay, let me clean the swimming pool. Yeah, you do the small one. Oh, be careful. Hi guys. Hello, Chai. Linisin muna natin tong swimming pool, guys. Grabe, uy. I think the swimming pool need to be clean, ha? Han, can you check the girls? Honey, can you check the girls? I hear screaming. What's the screaming for? Huh? No screaming. What's the screaming for? Why you guys screaming? Well, I thought you guys an accident. You bet guys. La. Next time you scream, I'm not gonna go there because I thought you guys playing. I hear screaming. It's not you, but you can hear your sister screaming, correct? Okay, then Jade, you should say Jade is the one screaming. See, you're wearing your coat, Jade. What is that for? Put it back. No, you don't, in case. Gilana, look. Come here, look at that. Look, see. What do you call on that one? Oh, Dawn's gonna go to the swimming pool. Go get a stick. Oh, yeah. No, she did not. I didn't receive anything. Honey, I think you need to clean this one. Yeah, I think you really need to put more. Yeah. Thank you, Chai. Hello, Des. Hello, Princess. Ayan, linis lang tayo. Pinalitan na yung tubig eh. Kaya lang, open kasi siya. Kailangan talaga ng every morning nalilinis. Ano lang naman, mga grass lang naman siya. Saka, sila lang naman yan eh. Ang init ngayon, guys.